You ready? All right, high five. Okay. Knees, high knees. Your arms, get your knees to your chest. Nice and easy. Easy peasy. All right, let's go into those lunge. Step forward, dropping the back knee down. Step forward, dropping the back knee down. There we go, nice job. We might have a special guest for our second round. All right, planks. Plank position, straight back. Hold your body up for 15 seconds. Let's go, good job. And last one, quick feet, on your feet quickly. Chop, 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 chop. Chop, 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 chop. Woo. Oh my goodness, it's a train. Chop, 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 chop. And time. All right, 30-second rest. Woo. Let's do a little warm up. Great for your brain breaks. Great for your heart rate, just to get it up and going. 10 seconds left. Special guest, you want to come join us? All right, special guest doesn't want to join us today. Oh, yeah. Oh, here he is. Everyone, Jordan G is back. All right, here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1. We're doing high knees. Ready and go. High knees, go. Get them up. Now we're going to do lunges next. Here we go. Good job, good job, good job. All right, lunge. Step forward. Dropping that back knee. Back up. Switch. Back and forth. Good job, Jordan. Good job, CP. Nice work, kiddos. Now, to all my friends and fam out there, working hard. I love it. Get ready for the holidays. All right, next one. Plank. Hold your body up, straight back. Go, hold yourself up. Don't let your knees hit the floor. If you need to take a quick break, you may. Just jump right back up. In, out. Last one we got, quick feet, quick feet. So excited to have Jordan back here on the P spot. All right, last one, go, quick feet. Fast, up, rest, eagle. Woo! Stay low, chop, chop, chop.